appearances were in this arena. This is the first time that Golovkin has ever fought in Las Vegas. For the Raptors, and there are standing room people standing around the arena at the top. Two of Canelo Alvarez's last 3 ring appearances were in this arena. This is the first time that Golovkin has ever fought in Las Vegas.
In weiß und blau und rot, William El Indomable SCULL,
the reigning, defending, ring, lineal middleweight champion of the world, SCULL, Canelo Alvarez.
The fight between superstar and former undisputed super middleweight champion Saul Canelo Alvarez versus IBF super middleweight champion and undefeated Cuban champion William SCULL is one of the most anticipated matches this month. Canelo's skills will be put to the test against an undefeated champion. The fight will take place tomorrow in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Do you think the taller and undefeated Cuban champion William SCULL can pull off an upset win? Or will the skills and toughness of the more experienced professional fighter Saul Canelo Alvarez prevail? Share your opinion, and we'll read them. But before their fight, let's watch some knockout highlights from their boxing careers.
Thrown with a bit more weight on his punches.
Kovalev just not throwing enough punches. That's a bit better by Canelo, but Kovalev
taking a little bit of control of it. It hasn't happened.
Just flow.
Oh, well, he's caught him with the left hand and his balance lately, and the referee waves this just that are landing on both sides.
Oh, good body shot.
If this were a closer fight, it would have been a fight of the year candidate. But it isn't a close fight. As Smith goes to the canvas a second time. This is why people are so anxious. There's knockdown number 3. That's enough. And I don't think he can get up from that.
Get up no way.
Good. Referee Luis Pabon waves it on.
Oh, jetzt schlägt sie einer. Gut, Doppeldeckung, aber das spürt er ja trotzdem.
Ja, das tut weh, das
ja.
tut weh.
Da muss er runter und da kommt die Antwort.
Aber hier hätte er sich mal klemmen sollen.
Oh, durchgekommen. Ja, ja. Links, rechts an den Kopf, nochmal die rechte an den Kopf. Ja. Und dann wieder nach vorne, zieht voll durch. Links aufwärts haken und dann ist er wieder weg.
Spanische Schule.
Und aus, zweite Runde.
Beyond the end of these big shots, because Canelo will be happy to just back. That's right, put the shots together, get some work. Catch through to 19. 66, Canelo, only 2 rounds up. Saunders took him up. He breaks down, opponent makes up really up the distance instead of countering back. Nice, straight right hand. They have stopped the fight.
Man hat den Eindruck. Oh! Ich wollte gerade sagen, man hat den Eindruck. Aua! Guckt mit angezogener Handbremse. Und nee, der kommt doch nicht hoch mehr. Doch.
Ja, das ist das Beste.
Oh, aus und vorbei.
Die war ja krachend.
Ja.
Oh boy, Bogner might be ready to go. And he's gone. Canelo knocks out.
Case with the old bull, young bull. But right here we see Canelo. Big right hand right there. That's what set up the big left hook afterwards. But he's been setting up that left hook the entire fight, and there it is right there.
Estamos aquí con el preparado físico, estamos muy bien preparados.
¿Se proyecta que vas a tener por ahí alguna otra chance afuera, por ahí Dinamarca? ¿Quién te dice alguna chance por un título?
Sí, sí, la verdad que me han aparecido después de estas últimas peleas muy... Ranking argentino no quisieron pelear y por no sé los problemas.
Boxen, man sagt ja bis zu, es gibt unterschiedliche Aussagen, aber so das Gros der Experten sagt, 70% ist psychisch, ist mental und das macht einen natürlich vollkommen fertig.
Right over the top, right hand, kind of faked him with the jab. Maybe in the first 5 rounds, he was making...
Dañado ya el rostro de Camechis, del griego de oro, que recibe esa mano izquierda.
Ja, er macht so natürlich auch die Möglichkeit, das Ding hier noch zu drehen, denn es sind ein paar Runden, die man aufholen muss. Aber das soll nicht heißen, dass das unmöglich wäre. Jetzt kommt ein bisschen mehr. Zuschreibt, dann ist ja auch nicht viel, was wegginge. Also er liegt Schnittdinto.
Because of the way Citron was reacting to it.
Roy, how does Canelo hide that right hand? Why is he able to land it like that?
Well, he's hiding it behind his left hook. He's throwing a left hook.
Yeah, there's not much he can do. That was a headshot down to the body, and that should do it. It's over. That is that's a big shot. That hurt him. He may have him in trouble. That's 3 unanswered punches, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's all over.
As the referee was stepping in, Dave, he was landing his 13th unanswered punch. But they're 2 very heavy, 3 very heavy right hands.
Most important thing is you watch this as far as the referee's tools. No standing 8 count. If there is...
Alvarez, left uppercut misses, right hand connects. 10 seconds left in the round, and referee Joe Cortez in his hometown.
Rhodes gets rocked. Referee stops it. Cotto's got to start punching back, otherwise this fight will be
He's throwing back, but without any velocity. Alvarez is teeing up.
Una toma Mauricio Medina Rodríguez en el timón de la producción. Víctor de la Vega. Y ahí se echa en la frente de este hombre que está aturdido y que regresa y que baja los guantes.
A Michel Rosales y lo sabe el Canelo, que va hacia el frente disparando a la derecha recta, intentando
Óigame, se le fueron las piernas a Pinzón. No hay piernas. Se lanza con todo el Canelo. Buen derechazo. Está lastimado Pinzón. Cae a la otra vez. Y ahora sí.
Pero dice nada, aquí está presente y el Canelo lo castiga. Pero no le es suficiente. ¡Qué golpe! Parece que ya está acabando con Paco Villanueva. Lo acaba de conectar y tiene que...
Some of Alvarez's better work in the fight. And he stunned Gonzalez. Gonzalez hurt for the first time in the fight, and there it is. It's
muy conectado para darle vuelta a la balanza y cambiar muchas veces hasta el resultado de ella cuando detienen la pelea. Pero mira, Oscar.
A Rafael Romero por decisión dividida en 8 asaltos en Santo Domingo.
Eso fue allá, sí.
¡Uy!
Se retiró del boxeo, vamos a ver la repetición.
¡Uy!
Al hígado.
No, papi, no.
No.
Ahí.